Here is BeReal app and how to make BeReal visible to everyone. So when you take in your BeReal, doesn't matter is it's like a late BeReal or on time BeReal, you just take a picture, just like let's have some test picture. And then here in the settings where it says my friends only or discovery. So that's the setting you choose if you want to make BeReal visible for everyone. So if you have my friends only, it will only be seen by your friends. And if you have like 5 friends or 2 friends, only 2 people will see it in the My Friends tab. That's it. So just be careful. If you have discovery, like everyone else will see it during a day, and then it just depends on BeReal algorithm, like if your photo will be pushed to everyone or like is it getting a lot of engagement and it will be pushed by BeReal algorithm in their main feed, top of their main feed. So that's basically it. Yeah, so something around it. So here you can set it. Important thing to know, if you in the beginning select my friends only and post your BeReal, it's not possible to change privacy back to discovery. So that's it. Otherwise you just need to delete your BeReal and retake again. If you select visible to everyone and select discovery, then you will be able to change back to my friends. Hope that is helpful.